To start, click the link in your email. Then click on the agreement in the Review Document column under the My Pending Tasks tab. You can edit the agreement in Word online or open in Word. If you're editing in Word, please make sure the SharePoint symbol is shown over the Save icon. Then you can save and close the agreement, and return to the dashboard using the back button on your browser. Click on the agreement title in the Approved Document column under the My Pending Tasks tab. You can add a comment if so desired, and then click Approved. Now the agreement will be shown under My Reviewed Agreements.